Welcome to Music Theory with David Pressler. It's great to have you in my class. We're going to learn music theory from beginning to end. I've earned my 2 degrees in music education at the Aaron Copland School of Music in Queens College. That's in New York. And I also studied music theory with Henry Burnett as well, but I'm going to give you the basics, okay? And we're going to have a very strong structure to get to any level of music theory that you desire. This will give you the ability to write your own music, to understand, to be able to play from chords, and just really get a good comprehension of music through theory. Those of you who are watching this video certainly understand the power of music theory. Okay, so let's go to the classroom maestro. So the basis of all music theory is based on the piano. And I want you to understand the piano. Even if you're a horn player, strings player, you're going to be seeing the notes in terms of their sharps and flats through the keyboard. So seeing the keyboard is very important. Now, the scale, the C major scale, is the first scale that we're going to talk about. There are 7 white notes, and there are 5 black notes. So between 7 and 5, we have 12 notes, but we also have 12 keys. So each one of these notes represents a whole key. Let's start simple with no black notes whatsoever. The C major scale. Now, the C major scale is built of a step which passes through C sharp, that's called a whole step, passed by D sharp or May, and that would be another whole step. So we start at sort of a 0 point or do, and then we skip 2 half steps or a whole step to D, whole step. Now between Mi and Fa is a half step because there's no black note in the middle there, see? So from E to F is a half step. So we could say that the scale is do, whole step, half, whole step, half. Let's review. So we have a whole step, and a half. Now we're at the 4th scale degree, which is F. Now we're going to go whole step, half. So that's the C major scale, and the structure of a major scale would be whole step, half, whole step, half. And the half steps are between 3 and 4 and 7 and 8. So we have the structure of a C major scale. Do, whole step, half, whole step, half. Once you understand that structure, we're going to apply that to every note on the keyboard. Okay, so once we get C major, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, we know that the half step is between E and F and B and C. What we're going to do now is apply that to all the different notes of the keyboard. We have 12 different notes, 7 white, 5 black. I wonder if we can get this on the screen. Oh, that's Camtasia.